Hey, what's up? It's your boy Steve here, and I wanted to make this really quick video, guys, to give you guys a little insight on something that I just came across here just a few short days ago. You guys know how I do things. I'm always looking for different resources and tools and gadgets and all these different types of things that we can use to really make it easier for us to do what we do on the internet, right? So I'm always looking for different things, and so during that search, that late night on the internet looking at different things, I stumbled across something really cool. I'm just going to cut to the chase. Instant 100% commissions, no monthly fees, pays out daily. Found it through my research, trying to find some different ways to provide more training for myself and even for people who I'm working with. Matter of fact, this system actually has Facebook training, YouTube training, Instagram training, sales funnels that you can use for this system and even for your existing businesses, different things that you're currently doing. And one thing that I really liked about this system as well is that it already had 80 plus pre-written scripts or ads that you can use for posting on social media and everything. One of the issues I hear a lot of people talk about, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to post. Should I say this? Should I say that? Well, they've got almost 100 different pre-written scripts that you can actually copy and paste. So hopefully, if you can copy and paste, you can actually make money on the internet, especially in this particular system. Because again, it's a training platform with a lot of different resources and tools and things that you can use for your existing business and even for just doing this particular system itself. Because again, why? Because it pays instant 100% commissions when you refer somebody to this system. And again, no monthly fees, and it pays out daily. So if you need some money today, you can make a sale and get paid today, not next Friday, not next on the 1st or the 15th. No, I'm talking about today. You can get paid every day of the week, right? So instantly. So you make a sale, boom, you just got paid. You make another sale, boom, you just made another sale, right? You just got paid again. That's how this thing actually works. Really cool. Plus, they got a whole lot of different tools and resources that you can use for your existing MLM or affiliate program or whatever it is that you're doing online, whatever you're marketing on the internet. They got a lot of cool resources that you can use. What got my attention, I got my notes here, as you can see. What got my attention mainly was just the amount of money a lot of the new people that were leaving testimonials, the amount of money that they were making on a day-to-day basis. I was like, whoa. I'm like, I gotta take a look at this. I gotta take a look at this and share this information because this is actually pretty cool. So again, of course, a lot of marketers, they're always, if you've been marketing, you've been making money online, you're gonna make money, right? Just because you got the skill. But what got my attention was the new people leaving their testimony. I've never made any money before. This is my first week in the business. All those different type of things. That was very interesting. And the amounts that they were making was very, very interesting. You'll see what I'm talking about here in just a few minutes. Now, and again, what else got my attention was the instant commissions. I don't know about you guys. I'm an entrepreneur. I got daily expenses. Even if you're not an entrepreneur, even if you're working, you got daily expenses. You got gas, food, you got things that you spend money on every day. Might as well have something that can help you to make money in your pocket every day. That's what this system allows you to do. And that's something that we haven't had in a while, but this is actually going to be a great addition to our existing businesses that we run right now on the internet. So we're definitely adding this to our existing income streams. We got a lot of income streams. I'm all about multiple streams of income. So we are definitely adding this one to the mix. You'll see some testimonials right below, and you'll see a green button right below this video. If you click on that, it's going to take you to another page where you're going to see even more detailed video testimonials of some of those people that I was just mentioning and more detailed information about how this system works. If you are looking for a way on how you can make daily money, daily cash flow in your pocket, if you're looking for that, hey, this is a global opportunity that you can use, that you can share. They got all the training. They got all the tools. Man, they got all kind of stuff in that back office that you can use. Plus, we've got some bonuses that we're going to be throwing in for everybody that gets started with us. And guys, you already know how we do things. So there's some things that we're cooking up right now because this thing is hot. From what I've seen, it's picking up some speed on the internet now. But still a lot of people don't know about it. So I'm telling you, you definitely want to get in position ASAP before other people like myself and other people that are already in this particular program start sharing it to all your people. So if I was you, I would definitely get started ASAP. Anybody can get started in this business. Trust me. Anybody can get started in this particular program. Anybody. You'll see what I'm saying when you see the video on the other side. Watch that entire video. You're going to hear some stories. You're going to get the details of how this system works and how you can position yourself in terms of getting started with this program. So again, so if you want to fire up what you're already doing, add some different things to the mix to help you to get more leads, get more sales, and just really make more money. That's really what we're doing. If you want to just make more money, take a look at this thing. You get access to more tools, training, and create another stream of income for yourself, for your family, for your business, for your lifestyle, and plus get a lot of great, goodies, at the same time. So I'm pretty excited about it, guys. So, we're going to be doing some things. Stay tuned. We got some other videos we're going to be sharing about this as well, but this is really just my first exposure. So, if you're watching this, you're probably on our email list. So I'm just sharing it to you guys first, since you already subscribed to our newsletter. So check this out. Go ahead and click on the green button right below here. Click on that. It's going to take you to the next page. You'll see the details, and then just go ahead and get started. Matter of fact, let me know once you get into the back office, you create your account. Just reach out to me, because there's some things that we're going to be sending you as well, some extra bonuses that you definitely want to take advantage of. That's going to be able to help you to make money in this and even in your existing program if you are promoting additional streams of income right now. So really cool system. I like it. 2 thumbs up. Check it out. Click on the green button, guys, and we'll see you inside the system.